Hello guys, welcome to What I Plan. Today I have this bonsai with me and I think it's a time to repot it because it's been 3 to 4 years I haven't repotted. So today I'm going to show you step by step how do we repot a bonsai. As you can see, I've selected my new pot for this, so I'm going to show you how it looks in this new pot. As it's early spring, this is the best time to repot the bonsai, so why should we waste time and get it started. The first thing we need is a bonsai pot. As you can see, I have selected mine for my bonsai. Now the very first thing we have to do is get it ready for repotting. Now we need some mesh for the pot drainage holes. As you can see, I'm using the metal one. You can use the plastic one also. Then we're gonna need some wire. It could be aluminum or copper. And with wire, we're gonna attach mesh to the pot. After fixing the mesh, we're gonna need some more wire, which we're gonna use it to hold the bonsai in the pot. While getting the wire, make sure that you keep some extra wire, because if you keep it short, then you have to replace it. But if it's longer, then you just need to cut it back and it will be good. If pot doesn't have separate hole for the wire, we can put it from the same drainage hole where we attach the mesh. As you can see, the pot is ready for repotting. I want to tell you one more thing, that make sure you do this before you taking out the bonsai from the current pot, so the root doesn't stay out for long. So this is my Dwarf Jade Bonsai. It's been 3 to 4 years since I repotted this bonsai, so I thought to repot it this year. So now we're gonna take it out of this pot by removing the soil from the corners, so the soil does not hold the pot. As you can see, after removing the soil from the side, the bonsai came out very easily. And now I think the roots grew very well in this bonsai soil. Now we're gonna remove the soil from the roots slowly without hurting it, and then we're gonna prune some roots. So now I'm gonna prune some extra roots, the overgrown ones, as you see. If you find any thick root, you can prune that, because that's not very good for the bonsai. But make sure these small roots, the one you can see, these are the feeder roots and they are very helpful, providing all the nutritions. So make sure you don't cut it that much, just cut the overgrown one. So now we're gonna make a thin layer of grain soil. I'm using pumice, and just make a thin layer. It's better for the drainage. And then after we make this thin layer of grain soil, we can put the bonsai soil. Before we put a bonsai in the pot, we need to make sure that we put some extra bonsai soil exactly where we want to place the bonsai. So once we place the bonsai, so the soil goes properly into the roots. While deciding where to keep the bonsai in the pot, make sure that you give enough time to see exactly where it's looking the best. Because once you are done, you won't be able to repot it, or you won't be able to remove it and do it again for a couple of years. So make sure that you give enough time. Once you decided where you're gonna keep the bonsai, then you can fix the bonsai in the pot by wiring the thick roots of the tree. Once we fix the bonsai in the pot with the wire, we can start putting some bonsai soil. Make sure that you use the bonsai soil, and if you want to know how to make your own bonsai soil, I'm using my own bonsai soil and I have made a video about how to make a bonsai soil in India. So go and watch it. The video link will be in the description and on the top right tab. Now I'm going to use the chopstick to fill all the air pockets around the root systems and let the soil spread properly in the pot. After repotting Dwarf Jade Bonsai, you're not supposed to water it right away. You're supposed to wait for a couple of days and then water it. So make sure that you do not water it right away. enjoyed this video, hit the like button and make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future update and learn more about the art of bonsai and stay connected to the nature. And if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment box. I'll reply to you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a great day. Ciao.